Yeah. I used to drink that mud water stuff, but it kind of gave me my stomach hurt.
Well, yeah, don't drink mud. What was in this mud water stuff you were talking about?
It's the same thing. It's like a mushroom coffee alternative.
Okay.
It just wasn't as agreeable to me.
Huh. Going to use a crate. Milk crates are definitely aid. Say what?
I said thanks for putting that back.
Yeah. I mean, I needed it.
Pick that up, please. The water.
I'm just gonna skip this one.
John.
Yeah, I know.
Am I putting him upside down?
I don't know. I'm not worried about it. I mean, in the long run it matters, but not right now. Yeah, with these new ones, maybe I need to take one of the little beaner stays off the top ones, but that's a tomorrow problem.
Well, there's a taco in the fridge for you. I don't think that's all we got.
Excuse me. It's an exciting little extension.
Well, you tell me what we got then. Well, how do you know that's not all we got then?
Chungus extension. Gotta say, I really like the Dions. They're really easy to clip. All right, take.